Welcome to Stories Behind the Objects, where we explore the history behind Museum of the Rockies artifacts in 5 minutes or less. Summertime means festival season for many of us, and one of the most popular festivals in Bozeman is the Sweet Pea Festival, a 3-day celebration of the arts that has been an annual community staple for the past 43 years. But long before the Sweet Pea Festival, Bozeman celebrated the Sweet Pea Carnival from 1906 to 1916. Let's dive into the museum's collection of Sweet Pea Carnival artifacts, including the carnival souvenirs you see here, to find out more about the origins of this beloved celebration. The Sweet Pea Carnival was dreamed up in 1906 by the Bozeman Commercial Club, the precursor to the Chamber of Commerce, at a time when Bozeman was trying to woo a sugar beet processing plant to be built in the town. The commercial club thought that a large carnival that brought in many visitors would help make Bozeman a commercial center and an appealing location for the processing plant. I won't leave you guessing, Bozeman did not get the sugar beet plant. Inspired by the flowers growing in a neighborhood garden, the Sweet Pea Carnival was born. The first carnival was held in August of 1906, a month chosen when the sweet peas bloomed and there was little chance of rain. The carnival was planned as a single-day grand event to feature a parade, the election and coronation of a carnival king and queen, a baseball game between Bozeman and Livingston, a demonstration by the fire department, a concert in Bogert Park, and finally a masquerade ball at the Elks Hall. You see here a picture of the very first Sweet Pea Carnival queen, Katie Hanley, a local girl who overwhelmingly swept the popular vote for queen. The entire town of Bozeman was called on to help make the carnival a success. The local newspaper warned the town's 4,000 residents, "Remember, the reputation of Bozeman is at stake, and if the carnival is a failure, it will be the people of Bozeman who are to blame." That is not the most motivational speech I've ever heard. But it worked. Residents built arches, draped banners along downtown, and built floats for the parade. You can see in these images some of the grand floats that were pulled down Bozeman's unpaved Main Street. The grand prize winning float in 1906, which won $20, went to a float shaped like a butterfly with waving wings of red, white, pink, and green. While we don't have a picture of that float, we do have an image of this very Montana float, complete with an elk head mounted on the front. And of course, most floats were emblazoned with sweet peas. As the carnival namesake, the sweet pea was visible everywhere. The carnival colors were sweet pea colors of pink, green, and white. Hundreds of thousands of sweet peas were used to decorate floats. And visitors from other towns who could take advantage of specially discounted train tickets were welcomed to Bozeman with bouquets of sweet peas. Sweet peas also adorned souvenirs like the fobs and notepads you'll see in the next few pictures. The carnival most certainly did not fail, by some accounts bringing in over 10,000 people to the first event. The Sweet Pea Carnival was held every year from 1906 to 1914. The carnival was not held in 1915 when a lack of interest and a poor sweet pea crop spelled its end. The town made one last attempt at the carnival, and it was revived for 1916, but the entry of the United States in World War I the following year ended the carnival for good. The current iteration of Sweet Pea was not meant to replicate the original, but several elements were definitely inspired by the carnival, including the parade, concerts in the park, and, of course, the presence of sweet peas.